Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm with Uba Makolite and Q.
You know me.
Clock it and the new girl. Hey, Lopen.
Phone number
Ban enhle.
ukhuluma efonini.
Maselona abafethu we uV boy bethu we class bafethu you already know. Ayi chai. Mase kubo siyanda Mchunu ubalo
Prince umufi.
Yeah. Bafethu ke yabo namhlanje yabo soshaya noma encane nje yabo vele akusakuthi iphume. Yeah.
Yakusa-8 mhlawumbe kuzothatha 3 months
3 months ukuthi iphume.
yabo nje kuzophuma into eshisayo bafethu
Eshisa
sisikazana lapho
yabona
like and comment ngathi siyanithanda bafethu siyaniphekela kumanje siyakhala
yabona
Bathini
yabamba nani Timeni bafethu onkohliwe Timeni
wenza into zakhona.
so wenza into